Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 3 from chapter 1 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to show that 1 meter per second is 3.6 kilometers per hour. And they give us a hint to show the explicit steps involved in that conversion. Okay, so let's start with 1.0 meters per second is equal to 1.0 meters per second. Now we can start converting. In 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters, and there are 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. And this is the 3.6 kilometers per hour. And that is what we needed to show. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.